Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 7.3. Let's look at the first subdivision in this question. It is integral of e power 2 log x into x to the power minus 3 dx. So before we do the actual integration, I'm going to do some manipulation in the log using its property. So let's do that. Integral of e power 2 log x can be written as log of x squared into x power minus 3 dx. Now we know that e power log of some function means I can simply cancel out e and the log and write the function out. So this integral is still reduced as x squared into x power minus 3 dx. So x power 2 into x power minus 3 is x power minus 1. So I can write this as integral of dx divided by x. So this is the actual integration that we need to do. Now according to the formula, integral of dx divided by x is log x plus c. So we will apply the direct formula because this looks into that. So it is just log x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question, which is integral of 5 power 2 log x to the base 5 dx. So again, here we're going to make some changes in the log. So this will become integral 5 power log of x squared to the base 5 dx. So now this is the base and on which you are mounted the log also to the base of 5. So like in the previous question with e and the log, you can simply cancel this. So the integration is now reduced to just x squared dx. Now you know the direct formula for integration for x power n. So applying that, this will be x cubed by 3 plus c. Now let's take the third subdivision in this question. That is integral 2 power log x to the base 4 dx. See, if I have this as log power 4, so I'm going to need this base number to be 4 because in the previous subsection we had 5 and log to the base 5. So that's why we were able to cancel it. So I'm going to rewrite this 2 as integral of 4 power half the whole power log of x to the base 4 dx. So now what you have got, I'm going to rewrite a power m the whole power n is a power m into n. So this is going to be 4 power half into log of x to the base 4 dx. Now this half I'm taking it to the top to the power because log m, a into log m is going to be log of a power m. So rewrite this again as integral of 4 log of x power half to the base 4 dx. Now we know the base, log base and the number that you have here matches. So this can be simply reduced as x power half dx. Now you can apply the integration formula. So this is going to be x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So rearranging this denominator. So it is 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. In the next video, we will start to find the solutions from questions in exercise 7.2. See you in the next video. Bye.